Urban tree inventories provide detailed information about individual trees. But what if a city needs a quick overview of its entire urban forest? Conducting a full inventory can take months or even years, especially in large cities with hundreds of thousands of trees. Sometimes urban foresters need a faster way to understand the general condition of their tree population. This is where the Windshield Survey becomes useful. A windshield survey is a rapid assessment method used to evaluate the general condition and characteristics of an urban forest across a large area. Instead of recording detailed information about every individual tree, urban foresters observe tree conditions while driving or walking through neighborhoods. The goal is to gather broad patterns and trends rather than precise measurements. During a windshield survey, an arborist or urban forester may evaluate factors such as overall canopy coverage, dominant tree species, general tree condition, presence of pests or disease, storm damage, planting opportunities. Because the survey is conducted quickly, it allows urban forestry staff to cover large portions of a city in a relatively short period of time. This approach is especially useful when cities are first developing an urban forestry program. A windshield survey can help identify major issues that require immediate attention. For example, a survey might reveal that certain neighborhoods have very low canopy coverage. Other areas might contain many aging trees that will soon require replacement. A windshield survey can also help identify the spread of pests or disease. If an invasive insect has recently been detected in the region, urban foresters may use windshield surveys to estimate how widely it has spread throughout the city. While windshield surveys provide valuable information, they do have limitations. Because the method is observational and rapid, the data collected is less detailed and less precise than a full tree inventory. Individual tree measurements are usually not recorded, and tree locations are not mapped with the same accuracy. For this reason, windshield surveys are often used as a preliminary assessment tool. They help urban foresters understand the general condition of the urban forest before investing in a more detailed inventory. In many cases, cities begin with a windshield survey to identify priorities and then follow up with a full tree inventory in targeted areas. The two methods therefore complement each other. Windshield surveys provide quick insights and broad patterns, while inventories provide detailed data for long-term management. Another advantage of windshield surveys is their relatively low cost. Because the surveys can be conducted quickly by trained staff, they require fewer resources than comprehensive inventories. This makes them particularly useful for smaller municipalities that may have limited budgets. For the ISA Urban Forest Professional exam, remember that a windshield survey is a rapid assessment tool used to evaluate general urban forest conditions across large areas. It is useful for identifying broad patterns such as canopy coverage, species dominance, and potential planting opportunities. However, windshield surveys do not provide the detailed data that full tree inventories offer. Today we explored how windshield surveys provide a fast and efficient way to assess the general condition of an urban forest. While they cannot replace detailed tree inventories, they help urban foresters identify trends and priorities across large areas. But once cities begin collecting more detailed data about their trees, they need a way to organize and analyze that information. In the next podcast, we'll explore how geographic information systems, or GIS, help urban foresters map and manage tree inventories across entire cities. You've been listening to the Arborist-podcast. Our goal is to grow our collective knowledge, one domain at a time. If you enjoyed the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to help us keep this momentum. Until next time, let's keep growing this community together.